Hi everyone, my name is Valentina. In this course, we are going to draft a basic bralette pattern according to your individual measurements. And using this pattern, we are going to make a simple but delicate and really beautiful lace bralette. I also explain how to take measurements, what to do if you want to make a bralette made of a non-stretch lace, what materials we need, and so on. I explain each step in detail. So, are you ready? Let's get started. To draft the pattern, we will need the following materials. The first material is graph paper for creating the pattern. The second one is tracing paper or baking paper for modeling the pattern. Next one is paper, scissors. Also, we need a ruler and, if available, a curved ruler. And finally, we need pencil and eraser for marking and adjusting the pattern as needed. With these tools, we'll be well equipped to create our own custom patterns for sewing.